This shrimp and corn dinner for two is packed with bright flavors and comes together in under 10 minutes. Remove the kernels from the ear of corn by using a sharp knife to slice along the side. Now we're going to devein shrimp. It's pretty easy. Use a paring knife and make a shallow cut and remove the exposed vein. Now it's time to make the dressing. I add the dressing ingredients to a small mason jar. Seal it tightly, shake it until it's combined, and this means fewer dishes. A secret tip here is to pat your shrimp dry before you saute it. Let's grab that skillet, saute the shrimp and corn until the shrimp is pink and the corn begins to brown. Add a little bit of the lime dressing, stir it around, and now we're ready to serve.